the grave of a Polish nobleman who converted to Judaism in the 1700s and was burned at the stake. And when more graves of the more famous people were brought to this cemetery during the war year, he ended up next to the Vilna Gaon's tomb, which is right here.
Kevin, they're gay.
No, just go over the normal Go closer. Put your hair on. You should be a get it better for you. Okay. You want some?
כן, לא יודע, לא יותר מ... לא יודע.
Ich moin.
Ja?
In een huis met 3 torens. Die bogen... Menschen verstehen gut. Die bogen arbeiten. Die bogen redt Jiddisch.